In Japan, there is a saying, the quietest moment reveals the loudest truth. As we step into 2026, many people carry silent battles, unspoken fears about their future, pressure to achieve more, worry that they're already behind. This chapter begins with the soft truth many forget. Peace starts when we dare to pause. Imagine standing before a still lake at dawn in Kyoto. No traffic, no deadlines, no expectations, just the sound of your breath returning to you after years of being ignored. In that calmness, you finally hear your heart whisper something you haven't heard in a very long time. You still have time, and you still have power. But silence is uncomfortable because it forces us to face what we've been avoiding. Yet, this is exactly why the Japanese practice Ma, the sacred space of nothingness. It teaches that emptiness is not a void. It is a reset button. When you allow yourself to be still, clarity begins to take shape, like ink spreading through water. You begin to understand what truly matters and what was never yours to carry. Before productivity comes peace, and before peace comes the courage to listen. 2026 can be different. Not because life becomes easier, but because you finally choose to begin from a place of stillness. The Japanese concept of Ikigai, your reason for waking up each morning, is not about finding a grand purpose. It's about rediscovering the small sparks you've forgotten. Think back to the last time something made you smile without effort. Helping someone, creating something, learning a new skill, solving a challenge, or even seeing progress in yourself. Those tiny sparks are clues. When combined, they form your unique path. Many people walk into a new year with fear because they have no compass. Ikigai is the compass that reminds you that your life becomes meaningful, not through pressure, but through alignment with who you truly are. But the beauty of Ikigai is this: you don't need to have everything figured out. In Japan, it's believed that purpose unfolds one step at a time, like a lantern illuminating only the path directly ahead. You don't need to see the finish line, you only need the courage to take the next step. And when fear tells you you're not ready, Ikigai gently answers, start where you are. 2026 becomes productive when you stop chasing everything and begin focusing on what actually awakens your soul. Your dreams, your strengths, your heart, these are not accidents. They are invitations. Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of constant improvement, teaches us that greatness isn't built from massive changes, but from small, consistent actions. Imagine improving just 1% each day, reading a single page, cleaning a small corner of your room, practicing a skill for 5 minutes, or replacing one negative thought with one hopeful one. These tiny steps seem insignificant, but over time they reshape your entire life. A peaceful and productive 2026 doesn't require you to overhaul everything. It only asks that you show up a little better than yesterday. And here's the truth people rarely admit: small steps are easier to maintain when life gets rough. When motivation fades, when exhaustion hits, when your heart feels heavy, Kaizen allows you to keep moving without breaking yourself. Every small improvement is a quiet victory. Every tiny effort is a message to your future self: I haven't given up on you. In Japan, even master craftsmen begin with small, imperfect strokes. They trust that progress will come, so should you. Let 2026 be the year you embrace gentle progress instead of impossible expectations. One step, one habit, one day at a time. Wabi-sabi teaches us that life is beautiful because it is imperfect. Cracks, flaws, unfinished journeys. These are not signs of failure, but proof that you are alive and trying. Imagine the art of kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold, making the cracks the most beautiful part. In the same way, the challenges you've faced, the heartbreaks, disappointments, and mistakes are not things to hide. They're the golden lines that shape the person you're becoming. Your scars are not symbols of weakness. They are symbols of survival. When you stop demanding perfection from yourself, you finally breathe. Productivity doesn't mean doing everything flawlessly. It means learning, adjusting, and continuing. Peace doesn't come from having a perfect life. It comes from accepting that your journey is still unfolding. As you step into 2026, remind yourself, you are not behind, you are becoming. There are still chapters unwritten, paths unexplored, and strengths untested. Wabi-sabi whispers gently, you are enough, even as you grow. Let this truth break the cycle of self-doubt and replace it with self-compassion. Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, is the Japanese practice of reconnecting with nature to restore inner balance. Imagine walking through a quiet forest, the scent of pine, the rustling of leaves, the cool air brushing your skin. Without realizing it, your breathing slows, your thoughts calm, and your body relaxes. Nature resets us because it reminds us of something we often forget. We were not built to live in constant pressure. We were built for rhythm, for groundedness, for moments of stillness where our soul can catch up with our body. In modern life, you may not always have access to forests, but you can still return to your natural self. 10-minute walk sitting near a window, feeling the morning sun, listening to the night breeze. All of these reconnect you to your humanity. The Japanese secret here is presence. When you become fully present, stress loosens its grip, creativity returns, your mind becomes clear enough to focus again. A peaceful and productive 2026 begins when you allow yourself to breathe again, deeply, intentionally, without guilt. You deserve moments of restoration. You deserve to feel alive. As the final chapter, this is where all the Japanese principles come together. Kaizen, Wabi-sabi, Shinrin-yoku, and the sacred value of stillness. Each one teaches a different lesson, but together, they form a powerful truth. When your heart is calm, your purpose becomes clear. When your purpose is clear, your actions become powerful. 2026 is not just another year, it is a new canvas where you decide the colors, the pace, and the meaning of your journey. You do not need to rush. You do not need to compare. You only need to align your inner world with the life you wish to create. When you carry peace inside you, productivity becomes a natural expression of your clarity, not a burden. And when challenges arise, remember the golden truth found in all Japanese wisdom. The journey is more important than perfection. You are allowed to grow slowly. You're allowed to change direction. You are allowed to rewrite your story at any moment. So step into 2026 with intention, with softness, and with courage. This year is yours, and you are ready. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are finally choosing to live with harmony, purpose, and peace.